Today, we are excited to bring you top 10 survival gadgets. We cover topics about Amazon products, gadgets, and amazing top videos on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Number 1. Wayland Outdoors Fire Starting Kit. The Wayland Outdoors Fire Starting Kit is an indispensable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. This comprehensive set includes a durable ferrocerium rod, waterproof tinder, and a compact striker, ensuring reliable fire ignition in any conditions. Its ergonomic design and robust construction make it easy to use, even in adverse weather. Whether camping, hiking, or in emergency situations, this kit provides the tools needed to kindle a flame quickly, making it an essential asset for those who appreciate the warmth and practicality of a well-crafted fire in the great outdoors. Number 2. Wayland Outdoors Survival Hatchet. The Wayland Outdoors Survival Hatchet is a compact and versatile tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted with precision, it features a sharp stainless steel blade for cutting, chopping, and splitting tasks. The hatchet's ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, while the integrated fire starter adds a survival edge. With a durable construction, compact size, and multifunctionality, this hatchet is an essential companion for camping, hiking, and survival scenarios. Its thoughtful design and reliability make it a must-have tool for those who appreciate the blend of practicality and craftsmanship in their outdoor gear. Number 3. Deployable Emergency Shelter. The Deployable Emergency Shelter is a life-saving haven in crisis situations. This innovative shelter unfolds quickly, providing instant protection against the elements. Crafted from durable and weather-resistant materials, it offers a secure refuge for disaster-stricken individuals. With its compact design, the shelter is easily transportable, making it an ideal solution for emergency response teams and outdoor adventurers. Whether facing natural disasters or unexpected challenges, this deployable shelter stands as a resilient and practical sanctuary, prioritizing safety and rapid deployment in the most critical moments. Number 4. T-Rex Tape. T-Rex Tape is the epitome of strength and versatility in adhesive solutions. Engineered with a ferociously strong adhesive, this tape is designed to endure extreme conditions, making it the go-to choice for repairs, crafting, and securing items. Its weather-resistant construction ensures durability in any environment, while its easy tearability and flexibility simplify application. T-Rex Tape stands as a reliable companion for outdoor adventures, DIY projects, and emergency fixes, providing a steadfast and resilient adhesive solution for those who demand superior performance and dependability from their tape. Number 5. Compact SAS Recon Folding Survival Bow. The Compact SAS Recon Folding Survival Bow is an exceptional fusion of portability and utility for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted for resilience, this bow effortlessly folds into a compact size, ideal for backpacking and survival scenarios. With a robust design and efficient takedown mechanism, it ensures quick assembly. Its versatility makes it suitable for hunting or self-defense. Featuring high-quality materials and precision engineering, the SAS Recon Bow is a reliable companion for those seeking a compact and powerful survival tool that doesn't compromise on performance, catering to the needs of adventurers and survivalists alike. Number 6. Grail GeoPress. The Grail GeoPress is a game-changer for adventurers seeking clean water on the go. This innovative water purifier combines simplicity with cutting-edge technology, allowing users to transform questionable water sources into safe, drinkable water in just seconds. With its compact design and rapid filtration capability, the GeoPress is an essential companion for hiking, traveling, and emergency preparedness. Its one-press operation, durability, and effective removal of viruses, bacteria, and protozoan cysts make it an indispensable tool for those who prioritize safe hydration in the great outdoors. Number 7. Ready Hour Solar Power Bank. The Ready Hour Solar Power Bank is a reliable energy solution for on-the-go individuals. This portable charger harnesses solar power, providing a sustainable and versatile charging source for electronic devices. With its compact design and robust construction, it's perfect for outdoor adventures, emergencies, and travel. The power bank features multiple charging ports, ensuring compatibility with various devices, and its built-in battery stores energy for use whenever needed. Whether camping off the grid or facing power outages, the Ready Hour Solar Power Bank is an essential tool, offering convenience and peace of mind in a compact, solar-powered package. Number 8. United Cutlery M48 Tactical Harpoon. The United Cutlery M48 Tactical Harpoon is a rugged and versatile tool designed for precision and strength. Its robust stainless steel construction and sharp edges make it ideal for piercing and cutting tasks. The harpoon's tactical design, coupled with a reinforced nylon handle, ensures a secure grip in any situation, with applications ranging from survival scenarios to outdoor adventures. The M48 Tactical Harpoon stands out as a reliable and durable choice for those seeking a multifunctional and resilient tool in their arsenal of outdoor gear or tactical equipment. Number 9. Multi-Mighty Paracord Survival Bracelet. The Multi-Mighty Paracord Survival Bracelet is a compact and indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Woven from high-strength paracord, this bracelet unravels into a versatile survival kit featuring a whistle, compass, fire starter, and scraper. Its sleek design ensures portability, making it an ideal accessory for camping, hiking, and emergencies. The bracelet not only serves as a fashion statement but also stands ready to assist in various survival situations. The Multi-Mighty Paracord Survival Bracelet is a practical and stylish choice for those who prioritize preparedness and functionality in their everyday carry. Number 10. T60 Emergency Shelter System. The T60 Emergency Shelter System is a revolutionary solution for rapid and reliable shelter in crisis situations. Crafted with durable materials and an intuitive design, this system unfolds quickly to create a secure refuge against the elements. With versatile applications for disaster relief, outdoor adventures, or emergency preparedness, the T60 stands out for its efficiency and portability. The shelter system's robust construction and thoughtful features make it an essential tool, providing individuals with a dependable and swift response to the need for immediate and effective protection in unforeseen circumstances. Thank you for watching this machine and gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.